Thanks for joining us again. Hopefully you saw our last video on how to create a lead. Now I'd like to show you how to convert that lead. As you see here, we've already built out our lead for Tom. We've even had a couple conversations, as you can see here in our timeline. Now let's qualify. You can click the qualify button up top and start building this out. If you have any existing contact, existing end user, filling out a time frame, whether it be immediate, this quarter, or next, an estimated budget, as well as what the purchase process looks like. Next, we've identified our decision maker and captured the summary for that contact. After that's done, you can go ahead and hit qualify right up top. As that processes, we have now created our opportunity. Stick around for our next video.